song. It's called She Loves My Dog More Than Me. It's, you guys will get the chorus. When you get the chorus, please sing along. It's one of those sing-alongs, one of those things you might have rumble around in your head late at night. I'd love that if you do.
Once upon a time, everything was so fine, cozy, just my baby and me. I was so well fed, I had my breakfast in bed, I was happy as a man can be. Then my buddy called up, had the cutest little pup, I couldn't help but take him in. Ah, little did I know her affection would go to my new little four-legged friend. Now she loves my dog more than me. She loves my dog more than me. I love my dog, she loves my dog, but she loves my dog more than me.
It'd be nice to get that riff on the steel drums, John, at some point. We were lying by the fire, burning with desire, when suddenly to my chagrin, as the fire got to stoking, came a cold nose a poking, somewhere it should not have been. I thought you'd shoo him away, but she told him to stay. It kinda took me out of the zone. Now a man's best friend gets a girl in the end, and I'm left holding the bone. True story, folks.
She loves my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loves my dog. But she loves my dog more than me.
Here we go.
So I'm sitting here fuming while he's getting all the grooming. That ain't how it's supposed to be.
Do that again.
So I'm sitting here fuming while he's getting all the grooming. That ain't how it's supposed to be. Well, you know I don't hate him, but I got an ultimatum. Baby, it's the dog or me. Well, I got a reply as she led me outside, and she handed me my people chow. Now I'm howling at the moon while he's up in the room, and I'm house now. Cause she loves my dog more than me. Let me hear you. She loves my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loves my dog. She loves the dog more than me.
Play it for me, John. So. Time. Pretty fancy.
There's a moral to the story. When you fall from the glory, you gotta do it gracefully. So I'm back in the bed with the dog at the head. We're a nuclear family, and I accept my fate. You know there's little debate, because this ain't no democracy. From the moment he came, it's been a doggone shame that she loved my dog more than me. Yeah, she loved my dog more than me. Let me hear you. She loved my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loved my dog. She loved my dog more than me.
Acapella.
dog more than me.
Yes, she does.
She loves my dog more
You
than
know
me.
it ain't the way it was.
I love my dog,
And she loves my dog. And she loves my dog. Let's do it one more time. She loves my dog more than me. She loves my dog more than me. I love my dog. She loves my dog. She loves my dog more than me. Yes, I love my dog. She loves my dog. She loves my dog more than me. Here we go.